Hi guys, it's Claire's and I am taking the time to do this video to let you guys know about this fabulous upcoming watercolor retreat that I'm planning for May 2024. From May 19th to the 24th, I know I've said 24 a lot, join me under the Tuscan sun as we relax and unwind over watercolor, wine, history, beautiful company, and immaculate views. Every day we wake up and we've got this long to-do list and we've got time restraints and we've got all these things going on in our minds. This retreat is all about slowing down, enjoying that moment with yourself, with me, and with other new friends that you will make on this trip, and just taking it one step at a time and tuning into nature, tuning into watercolor, enjoying that glass of wine, enjoying that good plate of food. Like a lot of my projects, this too is a labor of love. And I promise you, after months of careful research and tons of hours just looking up stuff, I have finally come across the perfect experience that will encompass great food, wine, lots of history, watercolor, and immaculate Tuscan views. Who is this retreat for? Have you never done watercolor before? Have you never painted anything in your life? That's okay. You can still come to this retreat. Part of this retreat will accommodate the 3 workshops that I'm going to be hosting. They will be curated so that people of all varying levels in art experience can have fun and enjoy. This experience is meant to encompass you being surrounded by beautiful, gorgeous views within nature, and just expressing yourself through watercolor as you just relax and go with the flow, which is our theme for this retreat. So I've used words like relax and express yourself here. What do I mean by relax and express yourself? There's a lot of people that gain a lot of personal satisfaction, but also inner quiet peace and inner connection by doing things like gardening, cooking, and then there's some of us that gain all of that through watercolor. I'm thrilled to have Princeton and My Mary on board as sponsors for this retreat. What does this mean? This means that every attendee gets a swag bag full of art supplies that we will all be using together over our 3 workshops. But feel free to get your own favorite supplies if you absolutely must have that with you. A list of all the supplies that will be in the swag bag will be revealed sometime over the upcoming weeks. Let's talk accommodations. We're going to be staying at a 14th century historical property called the, let me see if I'm getting it right, La Torre alle Tolf. And this property, this gorgeous property, is located just a few kilometers outside of Siena, which is a historical medieval town. And more to come on that a little bit later in the video. But this property hosts not only an organic farm, a restaurant, and a swimming pool with beautiful, beautiful views. So all around the property, we're surrounded with hectares of vineyards and olive groves. Let's talk a little bit about the experiences that we're going to be having. So besides some lounge time by the pool and some time walking around or strolling around in the vineyards, we're definitely going to be doing a wine tasting plus a historical tour on the property itself, because as I mentioned, it is a 14th century medieval property with a lot of history. And in addition to that, Siena is just a couple of kilometers away. So you bet we're doing a day tour in Siena that hosts the beautiful, and I might be butchering this right now, Duomo di Siena, which is a gorgeous cathedral, one that I've not seen. It's not your typical design. It's so elegantly done and very different. So it's a must-see experience while we're here on this trip. And while we're in the town, there's also different cafes, there's various restaurants. So we're gonna really take in the scene of what the locals do over there. Let's normalize prioritizing ourselves and just taking time to relax and unwind. So join me for your own Under the Tuscan Sun next May 19th to the 24th, 2024. So bring a friend or come by yourself and let's do it. So if this sounds interesting and thrilling and totally your vibe, I need you to go check out the website where you can find more information on everything I have touched on in this video. And also register. Registration's on there. Remember guys, there's only 10 spots available, and between now and November end, you are availing off the early bird pricing if you sign up now. So grazie for watching this video and making it till the end. I hope you guys will join me and let's create some gorgeous memories.